More thing, I heard somebody say it a while ago. If he's a magician, he needs a wand. So Jackson, I've got my magic wand here for you, right here. Hang on, this is my magic wand. What I want you to do, Jackson, is take my magic wand, hang on to it. What I'm going to have you do is I'm going to have you wave. Bro, and then you laughed about it. That's not funny. That's not. I got another one. I got another one right here. I got a big magic wand. We're going to see. Don't you break this one, or I'll break your head if you don't say so. Right? Take my magic wand. Hang on to it really tight. What I'm going to... Whoa! Put this one in this hand. Put this one in that other hand. Now, take my blue magic wand. Hang on to it really tight. What I'm going to do... Whoa! Put your arm up like this. There you go. Put that on down. There you go. Cool. Take my yellow magic wand. Hang on to it really tight. Hold on to the magic wand.
You're going to get one.
Last one. Take my green magic wand. Hang on to my green magic wand. What I'm going to do... Oh, my gosh. That's right. Jackson, I need you to... I know what. Put this one right here on your chin. There you go. Right there. Okay, cool. All right. Take my white magic wand. Hang on to my white magic wand. What I'm going to have him do is I'm going to have him wave that or wave those magic wands. Can you give them all a wave? Do a little... Oh. You know what? That's all right. I'm going to give you my real magic wand, okay? Now, Jackson, is your mom, dad, sister, brother, anybody in your family, are they here right now?
Yes.
Where are they?
His mom. Dad.
Hi, Mom. Jackson, you have to promise me. You can wave this at anybody here. Don't wave it at your mom.
Why?
I was at a birthday party last week. I gave this to a kid. He waved it at his mom, and his mom turned into a frog. Okay? So don't turn your mom into a frog. Okay? Don't do that. Now, Jackson. He loves his mommy more than you love your mommy. That's for sure. Okay. Pull out the head. Reach in there. Pull out whatever's in there. Wait. Oh, what's that? That's my handkerchief. I had a real runny nose the other day. I was really sick. I didn't use it or anything. I was going to say I couldn't find it. Nothing else is in there. Put the handkerchief in the bag. Here's what we're going to do, Jackson. Put this hand here. I want you to put your hand into the bag. Hold on to the handkerchief with this hand. I'm going to crank your arm up just like this. I want you to squeeze that handkerchief really tight. We're going to do some magic now. I'm going to count to 3. You wave the wand over the bag. We're going to make that handkerchief disappear. Ready? 1, and 2, and 3. Is it gone or is it still there? Is it still there?
Yeah.
Oh, that's right. That's why you're here, Miss Movie Star Taylor Swift. I need you to say a magic word. Do you know any magic words?
Yeah.
Now wait, but you have to say it like a movie star. You can't just say abracadabra or hocus pocus. You got to say abracadabra or hocus pocus. Okay? I'm going to count 3. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Abracadabra.
It's gone, isn't it? Is it gone or is it still there? It's still there. That's right. That's why you are here. He's going to wave the wand. You're going to say abracadabra, really cool. After she says abracadabra, really cool, then y'all all have to say hocus pocus. All right? On the count of 3, we're going to make it disappear. Hold on to it tight. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Hocus.
Abracadabra.
Abracadabra.
Hocus pocus. It's gone, isn't it? No. Oh my gosh! What did you do to my handkerchief? They turned it into a peacock. There's a zipper. Where in the world did my little bitty unzip it? Where did my little bitty yellow handkerchief go? I need my
right there.
Well, I need a little. Oh, that's a. You know what? I bet it's in the hat. Do you have my handkerchief? You don't have my. Holly, what are you doing? I think she took my handkerchief. You know what I think happened? I think that what happened is Holly ran behind my table. She grabbed the handkerchief out of the bag, and you took my handkerchief.
I did not.
You did not. Do you?
It's in the can.
It's not in the can. That's in. Let me. Oh, let's see. Oh! That means that this young man is a really great magician. Everybody give him a big hand. Take it out. And you are a great movie star. Have a seat back.